Oh guys, good morning afternoon sa inyong lahat. Bakulod City celebrating the Mascara Festival on October 20, 2024. September na ngayon, buwan na ng September. Tayo malapit na dumating ng hinihintay nating lahat, ang Mascara Festival sa Bacolod City. Mag-o-open muli pagdating na ng October 2024. Bacolod City. I inviting you to all foreigners, artists, all nation. I inviting you to going the Philippines to attend the any kind of events during the celebration of Mascara Festivals, because Bacolod City are celebrating again the Mascara Festival, or open again the Mascara Festival on October 2024. Tayo mag-isa na po papunta dito upang makikita niyo po ang lahat ng mga event dito sa amin sa Mascara Festival. Bacolod City, the city of smile, the city of smile, the city of smile. Magsiselebrate muli ng Mascara Festival. Oh, ano pa po ang inyong hinihintay? Kung mayroong time na kayo, magpunta na kayo dito. Dito nyo makikita ang ibang mga events. Pagdating ng Mascara Festival, bakulod. Mag-open muli ng Mascara Festival pagdating na ng October, the month of October. Ang Bacolod City mag-open na ng Mascara Festival. Oh, welcome to all nation to watching any kind of events during the Mascara Festival there in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Oh, all Philippines, welcome to the Bacolod City to watching the any kind of events during the Mascara Festival on October 24. The Bacolod City is open again and inviting to all. I'm inviting to governors, mayors, congressmen, and all city employees of Bacolod City. I invite you to attend the Mascara Festival on October 2024, because Bacolod City, ang aming pong mayor, nag-imbita po sa iyong lahat. Ang lahat ng artista dito ninyo makikita sa mga television, dito nyo po makikita, sabi pagdating ng Mascara Festival on October 2024, Bacolod City, opening the Mascara Festival on October 2024. Ano ba nangyari? Ano ba ang nangyari? At ano po ang hinihintay natin? Ay, hintay natin ito pagdating ng October 2024. Aming hinihintay pagbukas ng Mascara Festival sa Bacolod City, the city of smile, the city of smile. O saang banda kayo dito sa Pilipinas, din ganda Pilipinas sa buong mundo, I inviting to you to attend to the Mascara Festival on October 2024, because Bacolod City is celebrating again the Mascara Festival on October 2024. If you have any time, if you have a time, you can go to the Philippines or nation and to the Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Bacolod City is opening the Mascara Festival on October 2024. Ha? Bacolod City, mag-celebrate ulit ng Bacolod City ng Mascara Festival October 2024 na malapit na darating ang Mascara Festival sa amin sa Bacolod City. God bless and good morning. See you to Mascara Festival on October 24. There in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. God bless and good afternoon to all viewers and subscribers in my YouTube channels. And to all new subscribers and to all viewers in my YouTube channel, God bless and good afternoon. Thank you.